Good morning, friends. Let's explore how Android app can help in service sectors. You might be owning the business of manufacturing, service related, or distributor or dealer kind of things. So let's explore how Android applications can change the way of working and can help you a lot in your day-to-day life. You might be dealing in a industrial supplies, you might be industrial product suppliers, engineering product distributor, industrial equipment dealers, industrial machine manufacturers or dealers, machine manufacturers, industrial machine suppliers, machine equipment exporters, pipes manufacturers, tube manufacturers, pipe fitting manufacturers, suppliers or exporters, laboratory equipment manufacturers, scientific laboratory instruments manufacturers, environmental pollution control equipment manufacturers or dealers, air pollution control devices manufacturers or distributors, instruments manufacturing and suppliers, electrical goods and companies related, electrical products manufacturers, consumer electronics manufacturers, consumer electronics goods manufacturers. Your business can come up into the any categories. So what is a common problem in each and every categories? Or in the other words, we can say that what is the day-to-day activity of all this business? First thing is to sell that particular products, and what is the next? Might be they are getting the customers calls, customers whatsapp, customers message, emails regarding the service of the particular items or complaint. For example, xyz items or machinery has not working fine, so customer will call to the particular distributor, dealer or manufacturers and ask for the service or supports. So what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to allocate that complaints to the support engineer. You might be having your n number of different support engineers. They are working on a different regions, different areas. So this is the second task, is to allocate that complaints to the proper engineers who can solve that complaints. And you need to again check out daily how many complaints are pending, what are the reallocations. For example, some complaints are not solved by some support engineers, or might be they are the freshers, so you need to reallocate that complaints to someone else. So that is your day-to-day task. And again, there may be some disputes. For example, customer is not satisfied with the service, customer says that this was the problem I'm facing since many days, and still you cannot able to solve it out. So what is the solutions? You need to do a lot many day-to-day task for the solving these problems, or you are wasting, I can say, so many hours on this particular task. What you are supposed to do, you are supposed to switch to service engineer app, which can do everything automatically. No need to do anything. Customer can log complaints from their applications, and that application automatically, that complaints can be forwarded to concerned service engineer, and you can watch everything through your admin panel. In admin panels, you can able to find out how many customers is registered, how many complaints are there, how many complaints is pending by particular service engineer, how many company complaints are pending by the particular regions or city or state. Even you can able to find out that how many amcs are upcoming for the renewal, so that you can able to calculate the number of amounts. Again, that amc renewal will be automatically assigned to the engineer, so that you can have the maximum number of renewals chances. So all these things you can get it easily. No need to do interfere, just you can watch that things. And out of 10 complaints or 20 complaints or 30 complaints, you have to just come to the one or two complaints in interactions. Remaining all these complaints will be automatically solved because of this complete automated systems. So hope this can help you in day-to-day business. So now let's explore what are the exact functionalities of these particular applications. Customer can view his all call status, or they can add their profiles, they can add their details. Unique features of the mobile applications is task allocation by the admin. Admin can allocate the task with just one click, so that technicians can solve that things. Technician daily travel calculations will be there, so that you can able to find out that how many kilometers they have traveled, and you can give the particular kilometer wise charges to the technical persons. Field engineer daily attendance will be automatically calculated, so no need to worry about the daily attendance, because the applications will automatically calculate the daily applications. Work efficiency calculations for each and every field representatives, as in time will be taken, out time will be taken, so that how many time that particular engineer has spent for one particular complaint, you can able to find it out. Field engineer wise code report is there, so that you can able to find out that how many uh, time it takes by the particular engineers, and in-depth reports will be there. Increment and business growth plannings, you can have that things, because you are having in-depth reports, so you can get a business growth planning. Annual maintenance call reminders and reports will be automatic, will be there, so no need to worry about that reminders and AMC contracts. System will automatically pop up all these things. It is also taking care of the field reports. Solutions, there are maybe fixed number of solutions generally available with particular complaints, so that you can able to manage that default solutions, so that it can be easy for the service engineer also. And tons more features can be added as per your requirements. So why you are waiting? Just act now. Call us for the demo of this particular service engineer applications. We're able to show you the live demo, how this can change the way of your working, and it can help you a lot. If you have any questions, you can drop us a comment, you can contact us using that particular WhatsApp number, or call us, or you can visit our website. Hope this can help you to save time and money, and can help you to grow your business. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.